Best choice, best way to assemble. I already have one here. I like how comfortable it is. Start by carefully opening the top. This is the back part. Remove it and put it to the side. You see the bars here for the back part. Just close it again. Back part is here, so lift it up on its back. So open the bottom part carefully. Open the bottom part. Remove these, the manual. This here is this part here. So just remove it. You get the parts. It goes on the side. So it has plastic. Just pull a little bit. Softly, carefully. And then put flat on the surface. At this point you could take the wrapper, the cover out. It's all the back rails here. On the big package you have the power adapter. On the small package you have the foot, screws and wing nuts. We're gonna need this now. So this is the back. You see the back brackets here. Just put one of these here. You see the holes and just match it. It says to put one screw from the back. And then put the wing nut. Just press on the back and it'll be easier. Same thing on the other side here. Alright, both done. Alright, this is the backrest. Just take the wrapper off. You're gonna have your remote right here. Just put it to the side. So now you need to align this part here with the brackets on both sides. I aligned it like this. You might need to just move this inside, like in, if it doesn't fit. I did it for the other one already. So it should really easily go in place. Remove this part. I suggest putting pressure on this part and on this other part, which is the solid part, and just push them down until you hear the click. Let's see if you could hear it. There you go. Now the side padding. This part here goes flushed like this. It goes flushed. So the bigger part on top. So just align, put pressure, and it should go in easily. Same on the other side, just align, put some pressure in and down. That should be it. So now we have to plug in all the cables. The power adapter, you got the remote, and on this box there's another power adapter. Now you have two sets of cables, this one from the seat and this is from the back part. Just put white with white and red with red. Now this is the remote. Looks like a MIDI cable. There you go. Press in. This one is for the power adapter. Right here. And the last one is the one from the bottom here. This is for the big power adapter. Let's go ahead and connect it in, and then there you go, lock it. Now let's plug it in. This Velcro over here that goes on this on the bottom. So there it is. I like that you have these pockets here in the front. I need to put a phone or something. The pockets on the side, the cup holders. Over here you get the USB port, and we put the remote here. It's nice. You just press. Gives you different options. I like the automatic one. And the heat, intensity, There you go. It's pretty quiet too. Thank you for watching.